Ever feel like your boss has eyes everywhere? In the age of remote work, platforms like Microsoft Teams have become indispensable for communication. But did you know that your boss might be able to track more about you than you realize? In this video, I'll uncover the surprising extent of what your boss can track about you, from your activity levels to your working habits. Prepare to be astonished by the digital footprints you leave behind. I'm Anas, welcome to Xanalytica. If this is your first time on my channel, please make sure to check my other videos and subscribe if you'd like to see similar content in the future. Each step you take creates a digital trail your employer can follow. Your employer gets access to every digital engagement you have, including the creation and deletion of teams, as well as your one-on-one chats. Every message you sent in group chats or one-on-one, including the memes you sent. Every Teams conversation you erased. Everything you do in Microsoft Teams, including creating teams, deleting teams, logging in and out. All of the apps you use inside of Microsoft Teams, as well as the material you created in channels and tabs you established. The names of the apps you use are visible to your employer, but not the content you produce with them. Each Microsoft Teams meeting you created or joined, including details on the subject, start time, duration, and attendees. Every Microsoft Teams meeting you recorded with all of the information. Every file you produced using Microsoft Teams, because it makes use of OneDrive and SharePoint. Your company managers may index and search any files you create. The kind and brand of the headset you use in meetings, the quantity of meetings and mails you organized, the IP address that Microsoft Teams logins are made with, the device that you use to access Microsoft Teams, the mobile device's operating system when you log into Microsoft Teams. The messages you remove from Teams chat are visible to administrators at your organization. A message you removed from Teams vanishes from other conversation participants' views as well as your own. However, the correspondence may still remain on Microsoft servers, and managers within your organization may be able to access it through Microsoft 365's compliance tools or features. Sadly, the answer is no. So using an alternative messaging app like WhatsApp or Telegram could be a smart choice if you'd like to keep your digital communications a little bit more undercover. These private messaging apps are usually not monitored by your company, in contrast with Microsoft Teams, which is frequently monitored for compliance and administrative reasons. Leaving aside the evident security concerns, relying exclusively on employee surveillance may not be the most effective means to boost productivity. Rather than obsessing with Microsoft Teams monitoring, managers should focus more on fostering an inclusive Microsoft Teams environment for employees. The best strategy for performance management and employee engagement ultimately turns out to be mutual trust. Increasing accountability is a better alternative for employee monitoring than using Microsoft Teams. This is a straightforward but efficient method. If workers actually have control over their responsibilities, aims, and objectives, there's really no need to supervise them. That's what would you call an empowered culture. Thank you for watching. Please write in the comments if you had any experience of your employers tracking your team's activity in the past, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see similar content in the future.